Hello mga kadipat, this is Don Patrick D. Paraguilar and you are watching DPAT TV. Ladies and gentlemen, broadcasting to you live from Barangay Anonas in the city of Ordaneta in Pangasinan inside DPAT's laboratory. Don Patrick D. Paraguilar proudly bringing you the first of the 8 race days scheduled this March Madness right here on DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. Schedules today, tonight here on DTL SMC, and we'll start off right away with our race number 1 for tonight's edition of DTL SMC. So ano na to, yung magiging rules pala natin, ito. Explain na natin yung rules natin mga kadipak. This will be a single round robin, 8 cars at a time. Meron pa rin 12 pero 12 pa rin, but we will only enter 8 of the 12 rather, so 2/3 of the total cars we have. So we have 12 cars, 8 cars at a time. Yung 4, papalitan yung bottom 4 mangyayari doon. No? Sa susunod na race day, papalit naman yung 4 pang natira doon sa kulilat na 4. So yun po yung mangyayari. So single round robin among the 8 cars being entered every race day. So after that single round robin, we will pick the top 4 going to the semifinals round right away. So wala na po tayong quarterfinals po muna for the meantime. For this month of March, wala tayong quarterfinals round. So diretsong semis na po tayo kagad. 1 versus 4, 2 versus 3. And then the race for third and the championship race. Ganun lang po yung knockout stage natin. Napaka-ikli. So single round robin, a total of 28 races per day. And then plus 4 races, making it a total of 32. Parang jersey number lang ni Justin Brownlee. Yun yung bilang ng races natin. Every race day this March 2024. So March Madness nga talaga tayo rito sa DTL SMC. So ganun lang po yung rule natin. All stock motors, all 6 laps. 6 laps all throughout po tayo. Tapos alternate starting lane po tayo. Yan. Alternate starting lane. Depende ngayon kung anong mauna. So magto-toss coin po muna tayo bago natin simulan yung ating race day. So let's start off. Last time, lane 1. Lane 1, lane 2, lane 1, lane 2. Ngayon kaya, ganun ulit. Tingnan natin. Tingnan sa lumin. Ang lumabas ay, umibabaw ay cruise. Therefore, lane 2. Lane 2, lane 1, lane 2, lane 1 gagawin natin. Okay, pakita ko po sa screen. Cruise po ang umibabaw. Therefore, lane 2, lane 2, lane 1, lane 2, lane 1, yun po yung una natin. Pag game 1, game 3, game 5, game 7, 2-1, 2-1, 2-1, 2-1, ganun po mangyayari. Alternate starting lane po tayo. Alright, so without further ado, it's now time to begin our classification or ranking phase or whatever we call it, ranking phase or elimination round. Let's call it elimination round. Bottom 4 will be eliminated early on, and the top 4 will reach the after the elimination round. Top 4 advances to the semifinals, 1 versus 4, 2 versus 3, and then semifinals natin, and then race for third, championship race, all 6 laps each. Alright, so ganun ang gagawin natin. So without further ado, it's now time to start off our March Madness this month here on DTL SMC with our race number 1 for tonight. It's going to be Papa Roach taking on Setsuna. Papa Roach versus Setsuna will be our race number 1. So here is the track layout or yung starting line po natin nandito mga kadipat. Dito po yung starting line natin. Pakanan po tayo. The direction will be clockwise. After a 180-degree turn, we will now have a bouncing straight right here. And then, 1 straight receiver, medyo long lang yun, walang problema. And then, kakaliwa po tayo bigla. And then, 180-degree turn right turn, that is. And then, a lane changer right there. And then, another 90-degree turn. And then, a dragon back to close it out. So, that's how that's how simple the track layout will be this March 2024. In our race number 1 for tonight's edition of DTL SMC, we have Papa Roach taking on Setsuna, and in this matchup, since Papa Roach is the higher seeded car between them with Setsuna, it's going to be Papa Roach starting at lane 2, and Setsuna will start at lane 1. I repeat, it's Papa Roach at lane 2, and Setsuna will be at lane 1 to start off this race. Alright mga kadipat, let's get ready to rumble right here on DTL SMC with our race number 1 of 28. Switch on. Ready, set, ride. Okay, go game. Yan ang problema nila, yung ano na to. Bouncing straight talaga yung ano nila. Problem talaga dyan. Draw game. Una umin ba si Setsu na, therefore siya, ayaw na si Papa Ross na huli, therefore siya mahuhuli. Siya mahuli dyan. On standby ni si Setsu na dyan sa araw. Draw game. Blue. We'll go to the blue line. 1 point each for both Baparot and Setsuna. Race number 2, right away. Alright, race number 2, right away. It's going to be Archer Myrtle this time taking on Polaris. Ito yung naglaban dun sa sa ating nung nakaraang February 20 dun sa team home o yung last race ng team home, talagang gitgitan, but Polaris was able to survive Archer Myrtle's rats. Grabe, ibang klase yun. Polaris became triumphant on that duel. Alright, in our race number 2, it's going to be Archer Myrtle starting at lane 1, Polaris at lane 2. I repeat, Archer Myrtle lane 1, Polaris at lane 2. Alright, race number 2. Switch on. Ito. Ready, set, bye. Oh, patay. Ay, ano? Draw again. Panay draw. Panay draw tayo ngayon, panay draw. Tabla. Unang natumba si Setsa na Polaris yan. Yan ang winners bracket. Ito, losers bracket. Yan. Next. Draw. Race number 3. Race number 3 right away. Cosmo Atomica taking on RT Tareka. RT Tareka. Ayan, RT Tareka. In this matchup between Cosmo Atomica and RT Tareka, it's going to be RT Tareka starting at lane 1. Lane 1 for RT Tareka and Cosmo Atomica, lane 2 being their respective starting lanes here in this race number 3. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Mga bilang nilay Lutong pa kami, Kain na lang. Good. Winner. Sa wakas, naputol din yung streak. RT Tareka, winner. Alright. Winner's bracket. Yan. Winner's bracket kayo ngayon. Tapos, palusong dun. Abante, atas, abante, atas. Abante, atras, abante, atras, abante, atras. Gagawin natin. Ganyan mangyayari dyan. So, race number 3, it went out to be RT Tareka emerging as the winner. Emerging as the winner. First winner natin sa DTL SMC this March Madness. Next, Race number 4 will feature Venom taking on Merrick. So labanan to ng labanan to ng team Road. Labanan to ng team Road. Although si Merrick ngayon naka-team home na set up. Alright. In race number 4, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 1, Merrick at lane 2. I repeat, Venom at lane 1, Merrick at lane 2. Yun ang starting lane nila dito sa ating race number 4. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Japan. Login. Ano kaya yun? Login. Yan. 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 Losers bracket muna. Draw. Game. Next. Pag ano naman tayo. Yun na rin, papalik. Papalik. Babalik. Race number 5, right away tayo. Ang race number 5 natin, it's going to be Venom taking on Cosmo Atomica. So yung top 2 maglalaban na agad sa ating race number 5. And in this matchup, yung mga co-champions of the month ang maglaban sa ating race number 5, wherein Venom will start at lane 2 and Cosmo Atomica starts at lane 1. I repeat, it's Venom at lane 2 and Cosmo Atomica at lane 1 being the respective starting lanes for our race number 5. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Good. Last here. Camera. Winner. Venom, winner. All right. Fucking. Venom, winner. Winner's bracket. Ande, mananatili sa loser's bracket siya ng Cosmo Atomica. Yan, kapaliktad. Okay lang, kahit nakapaliktad. Standby muna si Venom. Venom on standby. Win against Cosmo. Dalawa na kagad, talo ni Cosmo. Next, race number 6 will feature, race number 6 will feature Setsuna taking on Polaris. Alright, Setsuna versus Polaris is our race number 6, and in this Battle of Super 2 Machines, it's going to be Setsuna starting at lane 1, and Polaris will start at lane 2. I repeat, it's Setsuna at lane 1, and Polaris will start at lane 2. Alright, race number 6. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Okay. Change lane. Drop. Venom, ano na yan? Drogen, naku na, si Polaris, toro. Yan. Tabla. Buti nga, mga maliliit lang, hindi ganun kalaki. Okay lang yan, sige. Draw game. Tabla si Polaris at saka si Setsuna. 2 points, Setsuna yung Polaris. Cepo. Draw. Next, race number 7. Race number 7 will feature RT Tareka taking on Merrick. In this race number 7, it's going to be RT Tareka starting at lane 2, Merrick at lane 1. I repeat, it's RT Tareka at lane 2 and Merrick at lane 1, leading their respective starting lanes for our race number 7. Switch on. Ready, set, fight. Okay. Draw. Draw. Draw game. Draw. Sabay sila natamaan eh. Ano nangyari dyan? Ano nangyari dyan? Ano nangyari dyan? Hey. Baka na sumabit sana eh. Ay, sabay sila sumabit. O, mawala na si Merrick o yung lower seat na yung nasa loser's bracket. Yeah. Pwede rin ganyan. Draw. Merrick, RT Tareka. Draw. Ito, dalawa. Yan. O, yun, dalawa. Okay. Next. Race number 8 na tayo. Bilisan na natin. Race number 8 will feature Archer Myrtle taking on Papa Roach. So, yung dalawang harurot na aerodynamic cars natin, maglalaban sa ating race number 8. Well, and Archer Myrtle starts at lane 1 and Papa Roach starting at lane 2. I repeat, it's lane 1 for Archer Myrtle, Papa Roach, lane 2 rather for Papa Roach, being their respective starting lanes for our race number 8. Switch on. Ready, set, fight. Kick KO. Winner. Winner. Archer Myrtle, winner by hit. Alright. Winner's bracket ka ngayon. Winner's bracket. Archer Myrtle won by hit. First hit. Archer won. Papa Roach lost. Hit. Puro ka na lang trying to reconnect. Ano ba Facebook? Wala na ba kayong magawang matino? Kakaumay na yung mga trying to reconnect na yan eh. Puro kayong mga slow connection. Ayusin nyo naman trabaho nyo. Parang wala lang kayo ginagawa kundi mangurakot na mangurakot. Puro kayo makurakot. Ayaw na naman tayong pagbigyan ni Neta eh. Ayaw na naman tayong pagbigyan ng matino eh. Talagang ginagawa na naman tayo ng kalokohan eh. Puro na lang slow connection. Tapos trying to reconnect pa. Putol-putol. Ano ba namang klase yan? Wala na sa katinuan yung internet natin. Ano ba yan? Ha? Ano na yun? 8, 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Race 9. Nasa race number 9 na pala tayo. Okay. Race number 9. Patapos na pala dun, ano? Ayo. Doon na tayo sa kabila. Okay. Papunta na tayo. Atras. Okay. Race number 9 this time will feature Cosmo Atomica taking on Polaris. Naku, malabo. Yon. Race number 9 will feature Cosmo Atomica taking on Polaris. Dito sa ating race number 9, starting lane for Cosmo Atomica will be at lane 2, Polaris at lane 1. I repeat, it's Cosmo Atomica at lane 2, Polaris at lane 1 in their respective starting lanes for our race number 9. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Okay. Last engine, Cosmo Atomica. Final lap. Winner. Cosmo Atomica finally winning it. Alright. So ano tayo? Loser. Dito ulit si Polaris. 0-3. Down 0-3 si Polaris. Ay, hindi. Ano pala? 2 points. Polaris Cosmo. Tapos, ito lang ang nakakalito minsan kapag ang sistema round robin. Yun, sa wakas, nakapanalo si Cosmo. Okay. Race number 10 tayo. Okay. Race number 10, Papa Roach taking on Merrick for our race number 10. And in this matchup, it's going to be Papa Roach starting at lane 1, Merrick at lane 2. I repeat, Papa Roach at lane 1 and Merrick starting at lane 2 for our race number 10. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Set. Up. Drawing, inter. Draw game. Naunang umimbang siya nun. O di yan na maglaban isa. Orange Army na maglaban sa race number, hindi ko alam, 15 siguro. Draw game. Tabla. Tabla si Merrick at Papa Roach. Merrick P. Roach draw. Merrick PR. Alright, race number 10. Okay. 11 na pala. Race number 11 na tayo. It's going to be Venom versus Setsuna. Yan, yung mga Dark Warriors natin. Yan ang magkalaban sa ating race number 11. And in this matchup, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 2, Venom, Setsuna at lane 1. I repeat, it's Venom at lane 2 and Setsuna at lane 1. Being their respective starting lanes. Labanan to ng ating mga asset sa Team Dipat dito sa ating race 11. Switch on! Ready, set, 5. Atay! Takon! Draw game. Sabi ko na nga. Just as I expect, draw talaga. Pero unang umimang si Venom doon. Wasak. Tabla. Draw. Blue ball pen na naman gagamitin natin. Sabi ko na nga ba, ganun na mangyayari. Letter D. S-E. Race number 12. Yan. Race number 12 na po natin ay sa pagitan ni na Archer Myrtle at RT Tareka. Yan. In our race number 12, it's going to be Archer Myrtle starting at lane 1, RT Tareka at lane 2. I repeat, it's Archer Myrtle at lane 1 and RT Tareka at lane 2 being their respective starting lanes for our race number 12. Switch on. So, officials timeout. Officials timeout. Officials timeout. Archer Myrtle. Wait. May problema tayo kay Archer Myrtle. Wait lang. Kung lumaglag yung pinion. Lumaglag ang pinion ni Archer Myrtle. Sandali lang. Forfeit. Sabay forfeit. Red. Officials time, papalitan ko lang yung pinion pala ni Archer Myrtle. Biglang kumalas eh. Sichon na sana. Durog. Ayun, umusog eh. Sabi ko na nga ba eh. Sabi ko na nga ba, umusog eh. Nali. I-share ko lang muna pala yung ating ngayon lang kasimple. Isa itaas ang ano. Nanang ko po. Nani? Neneng ko po. Nani? Nanang ko po. Nani? Race ano na tayo? Race number 12. Race 12 na pala ito. Okay. Okay. Yan. Palagay ito. Pwede na. Ayos. Okay, pwede na. Archer Myrtle, clear to go. We're good to go for our race number 12. Alright, one more time. Race number 12, switch on. Ready, set, bye. Good. Wala na. Medyo natin training sa ating training. It means to continue. Ako. Final up. Winner. May winner tayo. Archer Myrtle winner. Shoutout pala kay Myrtle Sarosa. I love you so much. Yan. Pa-shoutout kay Madam Portia Tera. Myrtle Sarosa, I love you so much. Yan. Pampaswerte. Change tire. It may still continue. But if parts of the car fall during the race, kung matanggalan man ng tire, okay lang yon. It may still continue. Manila Bulletin rules, sinusunod natin kapag mga Manila Bulletin, combination na to actually ng mga house rules, Manila Bulletin rules, at ng FEMA rules actually. So, walang problema. Sama-sama na yung mga rules natin. Talagang unified rules. Unified rules ang ginagamit natin sa ating DTL. Kahit sa regular season man yan or SMC, ang sinusunod natin ay ang international rules. International rules po tayo. If parts of the car fall during the race, okay lang yan, it may still continue. Okay lang po. Kung tires lang ang natanggal, it may still continue. Roller natanggal, okay lang. Pero kung ang takip ng natanggal, ano na po yun? DNF. Para yung nangyayari kay Leon Sara, ganun. Did not finish yun. Okay? So, winner, Archer Merton. Tapos yung si, ano naman, Artitare ka, lalagay dun sa Pero grabe yung laban yan, talaga siso battle lang nangyari. Napakagandang laban. It was a good match. It was indeed a good match. Artitare ka losing for the first time. Archer Myrtle with a total of 5. Artitare ka with the split. Splitting all of its 3 assignments. Alright. Race number 13. Pag ganito tayo ulit. Race number 13 tayo. Okay. Race number 13 will feature Polaris taking on Merrick. Alright. For our race number 13, it's going to be wait. Tama ba volume nito? Ay, oh. Tama lang pala volume eh. Ayusin lang natin yung ayusin lang natin yung viewing natin. Apa yun eh? Okay. For our race number 13, it's going to be Polaris starting at lane 2, Merrick at lane 1. I repeat, it's Polaris starting at lane 2 and Merrick starting at lane 1. Alright, race number 13. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Good. Ating winner, final up. Winner. Okay. Winner na, winner. May winner tayo. Polaris, finally winning it. Alright. First win this March 2024 para kay Polaris. Sa bakas, on standby sa winner's bracket. Okay. Merrick, Polaris, dos. Tapos, win. Merrick with the red mark. So, ang wala na lang red mark dito, si, Setsuna at si Setsuna at si Archer Myrtle at si Venom, wala pang red mark, meaning wala pang talo. Tabla meron. Kaya medyo okay pa. Next. Alright, race number 14 na tayo. It's going to be Venom taking on Artitare ka for our race number 14. Ayan. Ayun. Venom versus Artitare ka for our race number 14. And in this matchup, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 1, Artitare ka at lane 2. I repeat, Venom at lane 1, Artitare ka at lane 2 for our race number 14. Switch on. Ready, set, right. On, draw it, draw game. Draw. Tapos na. Dito siya sa kabila. Pwede rin dyan siya sa kabila. Artitare ka, Polaris. Naglaban na ba ito? Artitare ka tsaka si Polaris. P-O-R-T. Wala pa. Wala pa. Okay. Ilan na lang palang assignments ni Race number 15, Cosmo Papa Roach. Ayun. Race number 15. Okay. Race number 15 will feature Cosmo Atomica taking on Papa Roach. So, Battle of Orange Army na tayo sa ating race number 15. Teka, isulat ko pala. Yung nagtabla, sino yung mga nagtabla? Venom at saka si Artie Tareka. Draw. Ay! Red mark pala, sorry. Blue mark. Sorry, naka-blue mark pala dapat yun. Ano ba yan? Sos Mariosep, ano nangyari? Pero, sa Polaris, after ni Polaris, ang last 2 assignments pala, Papa Roach Setsu na. Ayun, okay. Down to last 2 assignments na. Cosmo PR. Okay. Cosmo Atomica versus Papa Roach ang ating race number 15. And in this matchup, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica starting at lane 2, Papa Roach at lane 1. I repeat, it's Papa Roach at lane 1, Cosmo Atomica at lane 2. So start off race number 15. Switch on. Ready, set, back. Oh! Oh! Satu. Kakabwisit na tong ano na to eh. Gusto na lang lagi eh. Slow connection. Nada-down system na naman tayo mga kadipat eh. Lagi tayong dinadown ni Facebook. Lagi talaga tayong dinadown ng mga oligarko. Mga oligarkong kurakot. Alright. After nung race na kanina na naputol dahil dun sa sinirang signal, ang nanalo ay si Papa Roach. Yan. Papa Roach winner over Cosmo Atomica. Obvious naman sinong ano. Alright. Yan yung hindi pa nakalaban ni Cosmo pala. So ilan na yon? 3 na lang kay Cosmo. Sino yung huli? Archera. Merrick hindi pa. Ay, oh good. Si Merrick hindi pa niya nakalaban. Okay. Ayos. Nice. Ano pa? Ano pa? Ay, nga pala, P-Roach winner. P-Roach winner. Over Cosmo. Win. Cosmo loss. Again. 3 na, talo ni Cosmo. PR. Next. Okay. Next tayo. Race number what? Race number 16. Tama, race 16. Race 16 na tayo. Race number 16, it's going to be Polaris taking on Artie Tareka. Yan. Polaris versus Artie Tareka being our race number 16. Tama. Polaris Artie Tareka. Hindi pa sila naglaban eh. So, last two assignments ni Polaris will be Archera, Myrtle, and Venom after kay Artita Reka. Samantala si Artita Reka naman, Papa Roach at Setsuna. Okay. So, in our race number 16, race number 16 natin, it's going to be Polaris starting at lane 1. Yes, tama. Polaris starting at lane 1, Artita Reka again starting at lane 2. Alright. I repeat, Polaris at lane 1, Artita Reka lane 2, race number 16. Switch on. Ready, set, match. Oh, sabay. Amag ng tornado. Aray. Bakit na yan? Panala. Joking. Draw. May iwan pa ngayon. Ito, waiting. Waiting, I think. Si Setsun at Papa Roach na lang iniintay niyan eh. Tama. Draw game. Draw. Artita Reka, draw. Last two assignments ni Artita Reka, si Setsuna at Papa Roach. Pwede pa, hindi. Hindi natin sure kung ano. Hindi pa natin sure. Draw. Ilan na yung draw niya? Tatlo? Tatlo na pala draw ni Artita Reka eh. Double check tayo. Tatlong draw kay Venom, isang panalo, tatlong talo, Cosmo Atomica, Archera Myrtle, 2-1, win, 1 win, 2 draws. 2 draws, 2 wins, 1 draw pala, sorry. Papa Roach, 1 win, 1 loss, 2 draws. Si Setsuna, 3 draws. Polaris, 1 win, 1 loss, 3 draws. Artita Reka, ganun din. Parehas ni Polaris. And then Merrick, 1 loss, 3 draws. Ayun. Ayos. Okay. So next. Fourth assignment for both Setsuna and Archera Myrtle. Alright. Archera Myrtle taking out Setsuna in our race number 17. Alright. Sa ating race number 17, it's going to be Archera Myrtle this time starting at lane 2, Setsuna at lane 1. I repeat, it's Archera Myrtle at lane 2 and Setsuna starting at lane 1. Alright, race number 17. Switch on. Battle of Acid pala to. Ready, set, bye. Umetreno kasi si Keto na eh. Ato. Final out. Patay. Ina. Nadali pa. Archera Myrtle winner. Alright. Naiwan sa winner's bracket. Setsuna at Artita Reka, yan na yung losing bracket. Okay. Woo! Hilo ko ron. Archera won over Setsuna. Setsuna defeated. Red mark. Alright. Next. Race 18. Ayan. Race 18 tayo. Masyan yan. Okay. Race number 18. Race number 18 natin, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica taking on Merrick. Cosmo Atomica versus Merrick for our race number 18. And in our matchup, It's going to be Cosmo Atomica starting at lane 1, Merrick at lane 2. I repeat, Cosmo Atomica at lane 1, Merrick at lane 2 to start off race number 18. Switch on. Ready, set, ride. Buang lasing. Takbuang lasing. Nagawa na. Pag may sumapit, lasing. Ayun! Okay, good. Final up. Okay. Sa wakas, nakapanalo. Merrick, winner. Alright. Sa wakas, nanalo rin. Sa wakas, nanalo rin. Standby. Cosmo, standby. Last assignment for Cosmo Atomica will be Archera Myrtle and Setsuna. O, tama-tama. Ay, hindi. SE. Ayun. So, yung susunod na mag-standby si ano. Okay. Lost kay Cosmo. Ulit. Laban kay Merrick. Asar, kay Merrick pa nadali. Kay Merrick pa nadali. Ano kaya yun? Ano kaya yun? So, si Setsuna na lang yung wala pang green. Si Cosmo naman walang blue. Tapos si Archera Myrtle wala pang pula. Sila na lang ni Venom yung walang pula. Magandang laban to. Next. Ganito tayo ulit. Okay. So, penultimate assignment na kay RT Tarika. Itong ating race number 19 against Setsuna. Alright. It's Setsuna taking on RT Tarika for our race number 19. So, penultimate assignment na ito ngayon ni RT Tarika. After that, si Papa Roach yung last na assignment niya. Si Setsuna naman, after ni RT Tarika, mayroon pa siyang Merrick at Cosmo. Okay. Si Merrick at si Cosmo pa pala. No? Okay. In our race number 19, it's going to be Setsuna starting at lane 2 and RT Tarika at lane 1. I repeat, Setsuna lane 2, RT Tarika lane 1 for our race number 19. Switch on. Ready, set, run. Good. Satu, final up. Eko, sa wakas, nakapanalo. Nanalo rin. Setsuna winner. Ethan. 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 Pink. Oh, official time of PRT. Ay, hindi, di ba? Si RT Tarika, matagal ng ano yan. Patas, Cosmo, Setsuna. Yun. Good. Last two assignments, the Setsuna will be against RT Tarika, panalo. Walang imbang, nanalo di Setsuna. Si RT Tarika, last assignment, Papa Roach. Setsuna finally with a green mark. So lahat ng mga auto natin meron ng green mark. Meaning win. Finally winning at least one. RT Tarika SEL. Yan. Final assignment for RT Tarika will be against Papa Roach. Setsuna will still have Cosmo Atomica and Merrick as its last two assignments. Okay, officials time out tayo kay RT Tarika. May natanggal eh. Tanggalan na naman tayo na 16mm. Nalopa na. Natanggalan tayo ng roller. Natanggalan ako ng roller. Natanggalan ako ng roller. It may still continue pa rin naman kahit matanggalan ng roller. sabi ko nga, if parts of the car, any part of the car fall during the race or during the run, kung roller o tire lang ang natanggal, okay lang. Pwede pa yun. That may still continue po. Okay lang yun. Okay lang yun, walang problema. Laban lang. Keep fighting. Fighting. Fighting pa rin. Fighting pa rin yan. Okay, officials timeout tayo. Officials timeout. Wala na yata kung ano. Ayun. Nice. There you go. Boom. There you go. Nice one. Yan. Bingo. Di ba na, last assignment niya, si Papa Roach niya. Ayos lang yan. Sige. Kahit nakada-impana na naganan, walang problema. Ay! Tama-sama? Tama-sama si RT talaga kasi si Etsu na okay. Sige. Alright. Race number 20. 19 na yung kanina no? Tama ba yun? Bilangin natin. Recap tayo. Venom, 1 win, 3 draws. Correct. Cosmo, 1 win, 4 losses. Correct. Archer Myrtle, 3 wins, 1 draw. Check. Papa Roach, 1 win, 1 loss, 2 draws. Check. Setsuna, 1 win, 1 loss, 3 draws. Polaris, same with hindi. Artita Rica panalo na. Tama. Ganun din. Si Cosmo at si Merrick yung last assignment. Si Polaris naman, Venom at si Venom at saka si Papa Roach. I think. Venom, Papa Roach. Penultimate assignment na rin pala ni Polaris, Artita Rica, ang last assignment, Papa Roach din. 1 win. Tapos si Papa Roach, after ko Polaris, meron pa siyang Artita Rica at Venom. Ayun. Okay. So, na tayo? Race number 20. Down to last 8. Tapos si Merrick, 1-1-3. Pares ni Polaris. Ayun. 3-way tie pala, yung tatlo. No? Okay. Papa Roach, Polaris. Okay. Sige. Clear. Alright. Race number 20. Race number 20 will feature Papa Roach taking on Polaris. Ayan, isa pang expected na epic matchup sa ating race number 20 wherein Polaris will start at lane 2, Papa Roach at lane 1. I repeat, it's Papa Roach at lane 1 and Polaris will start at lane 2 for our race number 20. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Good. Good. All right. Papa Roach winner. All right. Wala na naman yung signal natin, nakakabuisit. Palagi na lang tayo pinaburara dito Palagi tayong binuburara Sino yung last assignment ni Papa Roach pala? Papa Roach last assignment will be Artita Rica and Venom. Okay, pwede pa siya muna kay Yan. Next. So, Polaris, hintay. Last assignment naman ni Polaris, Venom din. Venom din pala. Ano kaya yun? Ano kaya yun? Number 21. Next natin. Tama ba? Meron na lang tayong 3, 5, 8, 11. Ay, sandali. Ano nangyari? Panalo si Papa Roach. Pinalo si Polaris. Embang si Polaris Ay. Green ko nilalagay ko. Yan. Tapos, pangalawa, si Polaris, talo. Last assignment for Polaris, Venom, Papa Roach will still have Venom and RT Tarika as its last two assignments. Alright. Next, i-resettle na lang natin yan mamaya if ever. Okay. Race number 21. Okay. Race number 21 natin. Archer Myrtle taking on Merrick for our race number 21. Okay. Alright. Sige. In our race number 21, it's going to be Archer Myrtle at lane 2 and Merrick at lane 1 being their respective starting lanes. I repeat, it's Archer Myrtle at lane 2, Merrick at lane 1 for our race number 21. Switch on! Ready, set, time! Grabe naman yung talo. Good. Back in danger. Stop. Kaya lang. Okay, yung harap naman na natanggal. Archer Myrtle winner. Alright. So si Merrick, ano yung last two assignments ni Merrick, if ever? O last assignment niya? Si Setsuna. Ayun. Merrick Setsuna. O after ni Cosmo, tapos sunod dun si ano. Tama. Standby din si Merrick. Tama. Lost kay Archer Myrtle. Tama. Dalawa. Archera. Wala pa ring bahid ng pula. Wala pa ring pula si Archer Myrtle at si Venom at Cosmo Atomica ang kanyang mga huling assignments. Si Merrick naman ang last assignment si Setsuna. Okay. Standby yan. Standby ngayon. Tapos RT Tarika. Ang last assignment ni RT Tarika ay si ano yata eh. Setsuna? Papa Roach. Papa Roach, last. Si ano naman, Cosmo Atomica, after ni Setsuna, Archer Myrtle last. Yun. Pupunta siya doon sa kabila. Kung manalo siya sa race number 22. Race number 22 na tayo. It's going to be Cosmo Atomica versus Setsuna. Long-time rival since season 2 ng DTL. At sa labanang ito, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica starting at lane 1. Lane 1 for Cosmo Atomica, lane 2 for Setsuna being their respective starting lanes. That is, I repeat, Cosmo Atomica at lane 1, Setsuna at lane 2 for our race number 22. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Now, Pasko. Good, ini pa. Pangalap. Medyo bumagal na. Feeling outro lang kasi kanina eh. Setsuna, winner. Ethan. So, ang last assignment ni Setsuna will be against Merrick. Ayun, yung last assignment. Itong dalawa, ang last na assignments. Sila mismo. Last assignment pala. Si Cosmo Atomica, ang last assignment niya will be against Archer Myrtle. Alright, AM. Archer Myrtle. Polaris, last assignment niya, Venom. So, isunod na natin yung Venom. Yan. Alright. Okay. Medyo mabagal na pong inyong lingkod kasi medyo tumatanda na pong lolo nyo. Kaya bumabagal na. Hey! 7:12, time check. Green. Green kay... Kanina ba yun? Kanina ba yun? Kanina ba yung nanalo kanina? Setsuna, no? Against Cosmo. Yun. Cosmo, panlimang pula. Malas. Last assignment, Archera Myrtle. Tapos yung si ano naman, yung si Setsuna, last assignment niya, Merrick. Tama. Merrick ganun din. Tama. Ano naman, si Venom, may dalawa pa. Tatlo pa nga, actually. Tatlo pa. Okay, sige. Sige. Race number 23 na tayo. Okay. Race number 23, Venom taking on Papa Roach. Medyo napahinga na matagal si Venom. Dahil sunod-sunod kasi yung mga winners bracket, losers bracket, blah, 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 and all that. Alright. For our race number 23, is going to be Venom starting at lane 2 and Papa Roach starting at lane 1. I repeat, Venom at lane 2, Papa Roach at lane 1 being their respective starting lanes for our race number 23. Switch on. Nakakaisang oras na tayo may get. Ready, set, bye. Good. Papa Roach ahead. Done. Last two. Final lap. Good. Ay, sorry. Tawas. Tawas yung kamay. Darag. Papa Roach upsetting Venom again. Again. Ilang ulit nang tinatalo ni Papa Roach si Venom. Aray. Ayan, tama. Ayan ang tama. Ayan ang tama. Papa Roach yung nauli. O, doon tayo, pasunod-sunod, pag ganun tayo. O, paabante tayo ulit mamaya. So, una yung Cosmo, Archera Myrtle next. Venom lost to Papa Roach. Yun, sa wakas, nagkapula. Si Archera Myrtle na lang, wala pang pula. Last assignment for Papa Roach, Artie Tarika. Tama. Last, Setsuna Mirik. Last, si Venom, after ni Polaris, si Archera Myrtle pa. Okay. Cosmo, Archera, last. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Yun! Nice. Okay. Pag ganito na tayo. 4, 5, 6, 7, last Venom Archera. So, ibig sabihin ng last Venom Archera. Alright. Race number 24. It's going to be Cosmo Atomica taking on Archera Myrtle. Alright. In our race number 24. In this matchup, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica at lane 1, Archera Myrtle at lane 2. This is the contrasting color sila. Archera Myrtle at lane 2. Cosmo Atomica at lane 1 to start off race number 24. Switch on. Ay, sorry. Ready, set, bye. Final indicator. Final up. Yung, buti na lang, hindi natanggal yung gulong. Ayos. Archera Myrtle winner. Alright. And Cosmo Atomica will close out its elimination round campaign with a total of 1 win and 6 losses. So unfortunately, si Cosmo Atomica magpapaalam na po dahil yung si Cosmo Atomica isa sa 4 na may pinakamababang rango. Therefore, Cosmo Atomica will be booted out early after that loss against Archera Myrtle. So 1 and 6 ang kanyang kartada. 1 win and 6 losses. Therefore, nasa bottom corner panigurado, it's safe to say that Cosmo Atomica will be booted out early on. bad start for Cosmo Atomica to start off March Madness here on DTL SMC. So, tanggal na yan. Mamaya, let's formalize it later. I-formalize natin yan later. Archera Myrtle has yet to suffer a red mark. Win. Yun. Race number 25. Si Ben, may hinihintayin niya. Yun. Nice folks. Okay. Venom Polaris. Yun na. Venom Polaris na. Ayun na. Final assignment na rin para kay Polaris. Itong ating race number 25. Sa Venom will take on Polaris in our race number 25. Ito, grabe yung naging labanan nila nung nakaraang Miyerkules natin. Nung semifinals, ito yung mga naglaban, sina Venom at Polaris. Grabe yung naging laban nila. Umaati ka mo. Ibang klase, hindi basta binigay ni Venom yung panalo kay Polaris. Talagang kinailangan pag hindi mabuti, kinailangan niya mag-stabilize. So, tingnan natin ngayon sa ating race number 25 kung mauulit ni Polaris ang kanyang panalo kontra kay Venom, wherein Venom will start at lane 2 and Polaris will start at lane 1. I repeat, it's Venom at lane 2 and Polaris at lane 1 for our race number 25. Switch on! Ready, set, fight! Okay, winner! Winner na, winner! Winner, Polaris! Okay na yun. Sinalubong niya si Polaris kasi pagtalon doon sa bouncy street, nasa lubong niya si Polaris. E tumatakbo pa lang si Polaris, so okay lang. Hit yon. Polaris, winner by hit. Alright. O dati, tapos na si Polaris pala. O, finish na. Finish na si Polaris. Okay. Venom will still have one more. One more race. Sa last 3. Ayun. Pasok. Pasok. Yun na. Sunod-sunod na. Tama. Polaris won by hit. Polaris won. Venom lost. Dalawang pula. Dalawa. Hit. Alright. Down to our last 3. Sa wakas. Mahigit isang oras na tayo nagtatamiya. Di pa tapos ang first hit. Di ba? Last 3 na. Last 3 assignments for our elimination round. Tatawagin na nating elimination round to kasi kasi yung top 4 lang ang uusad sa next part. Sa exciting part. Yan. Alright. Race number 26 will feature Setsuna taking on Mirik. Yan. Setsuna versus Mirik for our race number 26. And in this matchup, it's going to be Setsuna starting at lane 1. Setsuna starting at lane 1, Mirik at lane 2. I repeat, it's Setsuna at lane 1 and Mirik at lane 2 being their respective starting lanes for our race number 26. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Good. Setsuna kami. Okay. Good. Final up. Good. Okay. Setsuna, winner. Easton. So Setsuna will close out this elimination round with a win over Mirik. Lost to Mirik. Yan. 1-3-3 yung record niya. Setsuna naman, panalo. Okay. Down to last 2 tayo. Setsuna, 3 wins. 3-1-3. Setsuna 3-1-3. Si Mirik 1-3-3. Okay. Down to our last 2 races in our elimination round. the Elimination Chamber, parang sa WWE Wrestling. Elimination Chamber. Alright. Penultimate race of our elimination round for this Manic Monday evening. It's going to be Papa Roach taking on RT Tarika. Yes, it's RT Tarika versus Papa Roach to close out their respective elimination round campaigns. And in this matchup, it's going to be Papa Roach at lane 2 and RT Tarika at lane 1. So same color sila. I repeat, it's Papa Roach at lane 2, RT Tarika at lane 1 being their respective starting lanes for our penultimate race of the elimination round for this Manic Monday evening. Switch on. Ready, set, five. Good. Okay, satu lagi. Lock. Lock. Tabla. Tabla. Parehong gimbang, natulumi yung isa. Ang isa natulumi, yung isa napasuka. Si Papa Roach nasigawan ng tulumi, si RT Tarika naman nabasuka ni Cobalt B. Peace, Madam Portia. Nabasuka ni Cobalt B. So they will end up their respective campaign with a draw. Papa Roach and RT Tarika. Yun din, 3-1-3. 3-1-3. Kung dalawa lang sila, win over the other lang yan. Madali lang. Wag lang sana mag tiebreaker pace if ever. Pero kung sakaling bottom 4 pa rin sila pareho, wala na. Di na kailangan. Pwede lang natin gamitin yung tiebreaker pace kapag pwede lang natin gamitin ang tiebreaker pace kapag yung top 4 ang nagtabla-tabla. Pero kung lower 4, hindi na kailangan. Para mabilis po tayo mga kadipat. Para mabilis yung flow ng racing natin dahil nagpuputol-putol kasi yung signal minsan. So, tsaka kasi, nanonood din ng inyong likod may 8 PM. May sinusubaybayang teleserye. Sabay ganun. Alright, final race na po tayo ng ating elimination round as Venom will face Archer Myrtle to close out our elimination round. And in this matchup, it's going to be Venom at lane 1, Archer Myrtle at lane 2. I repeat, it's Venom at lane 1 and Archer Myrtle at lane 2. Alright, the 28th and final race of our elimination round this Manic Monday evening. Switch on. Ang hirap din pala, no? Ready, set, five. Good. Good. Action. Good. Ay, ala. Grabe, ganda ng stability. Pero somehow, Archer Myrtle was able to manage stability despite having trouble dealing with bouncing. Wala na po tayong quarterfinals. Ano na lang to, ranking lang to. Itong tiebreaker pace natin to determine kung sino yung mag-start sa lane 2. Ang semis 1 kasi sa lane 2 starting lane. Yung sina Merrick at Venom, nagtablaman sila dun sa pero nasa hulihan na. So, therefore, tanggal din sila. So, wala nang dahilan para mag-tiebreaker pace pa sila. Tabla sila sa number 6 So, wala na. Hindi na kailangan. So, pwede lang po tayo mag-tiebreaker pace kapag may nagtabla sa top 4. So, in this case, meron nagtabla sa second place. So, therefore, may short tiebreaker pace lang tayo between Papa Roach and Setsuna. So, repeat over race 1 kasi tabla sila So, para sa 9 points, pero tabla sila doon sa una. Sila kayong race number 1 in fact. Yung sila Venom at Mary, race number 4, parehong 5 points. Tabla rin sila, pero nasa ulihan na. So, no need. There's no need na mag-tiebreaker pace. We can only apply tiebreaker pace for the top 4. Top 4 only. Pero pag bottom 4 na, no need. There's no need. I repeat, if it's a tie or draw, at top 4, we can still do tiebreaker phase. But for bottom 4, if there is a tie or a draw between two cars at the bottom 4, there's no need for a tiebreaker phase. So therefore, we have a tiebreaker phase between Setsuna and Papa Roach, tied for second. So ang i-determine lang natin kung saan yung lane 2. So nung una, si Papa Roach ang lane 2, Setsuna lane 1. So baliktad. Okay, switch lanes tayo. Switch on. Last one standing, apply. Ready, set, fight. Satu. Ayo. So, balik sila ngayon. So, Papa Roach will start at lane 2, Setsuna natin, switch ulit. Switch ulit sila. Alright. So, na-determine na po natin yung end of our ranking phase. So, number 2 itong number 2 to si Papa Roach, si Setsuna number 3. So, determine na po natin ang ating top 4. It's going to be Archer Myrtle being the top-seeded car, going to the semifinals round with a total of 13 points. Papa Roach and Setsuna tied for second place at 9 points apiece. Pero after the tiebreaker pace na ginawa natin, it's going to be Papa Roach will be second-seeded car and Setsuna will be third seed. And then the fourth seed will be Polaris with 7 points total. Then fifth place will be RT Tarika. Venom and Merrick tied at 6th place, and Cosmo Atomica will be the dead last. Will be ranked dead last. So yung sina RT Tarika, Venom, Merrick at si Cosmo Atomica ay tanggal po sa laro ito. Ayan, I repeat, Venom, Merrick, RT Tarika, and yung si Cosmo, si Venom, si Merrick, at si RT Tarika tanggal. Yan. Alright. So, yan na po. Na-settle na po natin ang ating elimination round. We will now proceed right away with our semifinals round. Semifinals number 1 will feature Papa Roach versus Setsuna. So, this time, yun pa rin. Same starting lane as their previous meeting. Nung race number 1, actually sila itong race number 1 ngayong gabi. This time, magre-rematch sila sa ating semifinals round. So, kinailangan natin ng tiebreaker phase para ma-determine yung number 2 at number 3. Alright, for our semifinals number 1, it's Papa Roach at lane 2 and Setsuna at lane 1, once again being their respective starting lanes. I repeat, it's Papa Roach at lane 2, Setsuna at lane 1. Yan. Alright mga kadipat, we are now in our final 4 round. Final 4 round of knockout stage na tayo ngayon. Pero semis right away na tayo para mabilis tayong matapos. Alright. So, we'll now proceed right away with our semifinals. Number 1, switch on. Alibo. Ready, set, pwede pa. Try na lang. Patay. Sayang! Just when we thought, Setsuna, lahat na magkasama, but unfortunately, nagkakanda sabit-sabit sila pareho ni Papa Roach eh. Pero pagdating ng final lap yun, doon pala tuluyan. Turog. Doon pala tuluyan, di oras. Alright, so it's going to be Papa Roach returning to the championship race. So it's going to be Papa Roach emerging victorious over Setsuna to enter the first championship race for this March Madness era of DTL SMC, or March Madness season March Madness month. Yan. March Madness po tayo. Yan. Alright. So ano pala to? Isang team road ang nakalusot pala sa ating 13997. Yun. Tapos 65 yun. May nakalusot palang team road ngayong gabi. Pero malalagay siya sa race for third. Alright, semi-finals number 2 right away. Archer Amertal, the top-seeded car, going up against Polaris. And in this matchup, it's going to be Archer Amertal starting at lane 1, Polaris at lane 2. I repeat, it's Polaris at lane 2, Archer Amertal at lane 1 being their respective starting lanes. Okay. Alright mga ka-Dipat, let's get ready to rumble here in this semi-finals number 2. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Up, wait. Ready, set, bye. Switch. Yes. Hit. That's it. That's it. That's it. We don't need to finish the lap requirement. Ayun na, sumalubong na dun eh. Sumalubong na dun. So there's no need. There's no need to finish the lap requirement kasi meron ng nabangga. Pag meron ng nabangga na gano'n, matik. Ano na yon? Winner na yon. So it's going to be Archer Amertal continuing its rampage, going to the championship race to face Papa Roach. Yan. So Papa Roach versus Archer Amertal ang magiging labanan natin sa ating championship race ngayong gabi. Alright, right away, battle for third na tayo. Race for third pala. 7:41, time check. 7:41 PM na tayo. So mabilis tayo matatapos. Yan ang maganda. Kasi nga po meron lang tayong 2 oras para dalawang oras nga lang. Meron lang tayong maximum of 2 hours para dito sa DTL. 6 to 8 lang yung maximum natin. So, para may time constraint para iwas time constraint, magano tayo, yung tawag dito, yung single round robin, tapos semis, race for third, championship agad. Alright. So, race for third yung top 4 lang ang uusad sa next. Ganon. Alright. So, race for third na tayo right away. Sets na taking on Polaris. Yan. So, ano na to? Yung battle of 3-4. Yung top 2 pumasok. Yung race for third natin, 3-4. Traditional 3 versus 4. So, for our race for third, this Manic Monday evening, it's going to be Setsuna starting at lane 2, Polaris at lane 1 this time around. Alright. So, Super 2 chassis machines going at it. One last time for tonight. Talagang seryoso na eh. Ganun talaga pag day off na. Alright mga ka-Dipat, without further ado, it's now time for our race for third. For our Manic Monday evening here on DTL SMC. First to 6 laps, switch on. Ready, set, bye. Pwede yung relate dito. 2, 3. Okay, relate. 3-second violation. Nabilangan ng 3 na 1, 2, 3. Na 1, 2, 3 si Setsuna Duro. Okay, re-race pa more. Pag semi-final, race for third at championship, andun pa rin ang re-race. Pwede pa tayong mag-re-race. Pwede pa tayong mag-re-race niyan, if ever. So at least exciting yung game 1 natin. Malalaman natin bukas kung sino yung race of the night. I-reveal ko na lang dyan, if ever. Simula ko ngayong March 4. Tetest natin yung ganun. Merong yung race of the night. Kung ano yung makita kong best race, yun yung ayun yung WhatsApp. Pwede kayong actually yung lahat na nanonood, pwede naman mag-comment dyan kung ano yung gusto nyong race of the night. Alright. Alright, first of 2 restarts for our race for third. Ready, set, bye. Oh, winner. Winner na, winner na. Awat na, awat. Winner. Winner. May winner na tayo. Na ano na, sumalubong na kasi kay ano eh. Sumalubong na kasi kay Setso na sa umpisa pa lang eh. So wala na, there's no need to finish. Meron ng hit, so there's no need to finish the lap requirement para tipid sa oras, no? So meron nakatama si Polaris kay Setsuna. Therefore, it's going to be Setsuna emerging as the third placer to start off March Madness season here on DTL SMC with a third place finish against Polaris. So yon ang ano natin. So ganun yung format natin for this month only. O baka ano na rin. Maybe sa ano na rin, sa pagbalik natin sa DTL Season 4, hopefully, makabalik tayo. Sana nga lang makabalik. Alright, dito na lang siguro. Pwede rin, dito na lang yung ano, podium plate. Dito na lang yung podium plate natin. Yan. Tapos dito yung naka-ano naman yung isa, tapos yung isa. Ganun. Alright. Championship race na tayo right away. Archer Myrtle taking on Papa Roach for the first championship of DTL SMC this month of March 2024. And in this championship race matchup, it's going to be Archer Myrtle at lane 1 at Papa Roach at lane 2 being their respective starting lanes. I repeat, same color sila. Archer Myrtle at lane 1, Papa Roach at lane 2, para sila ng kanilang mga color being their respective starting lanes. May enclose kasi yung AL at MA, ganito na lang. Alright mga kalipat, without further ado, let's get ready to rumble for our first championship race of our March Madness season on DTL SMC. First to 6 laps, wait on. Ready, set, bye. Archer Myrtle ahead. Papa Roach, sinakabot na rin. Grabe naman yan. Last, 2. Final lap. Holy cow! Grabe! Grabe! Yung takbo ni Archer Myrtle doon. Grabe talaga mga kadipat. Wow! I'm running out of words to describe that finish for our Manic Monday evening here on DTL SMC. And after that smoke of that final race has been lifted, it's going to be Archer Myrtle securing the first championship points, the first set of championship points to grab the early lead for on our aggregate scoring for this. All right. So final results for our Manic Monday edition of DTL SMC are as follows. It's going to be Archer Myrtle grabbing its first set of championship points to grab the early lead on aggregate scoring this month of March 2024 with 3 points. And Papa Roach will finish second place with its first 2 points this month. And Setsuna with its first point on aggregate after finishing third. Alright mga kadipat, so these are the first 3 podium finishers for our March Madness season here on DTL SMC. To start off our March 2024, ngayon ay March 4, 2024 mga kadipat. And once again, this has been yours truly, Don Patrick D. Pedeglar, signing up for now. And thank you so much to all who watched and whoever will watch anytime here inside DPAD's laboratory. So, Game 2 will be on Wednesday, March 6, 2024, and hopefully ang Game 3 natin will be March 9, tentative will be March 9. Hopefully nga lang matuloy tayo sa March 9. Kung wala tayong race sa March 9 and 10, tuloy po tayo ng ating Game 3 for DTL SMC. Alright mga kadipat, so I remind everyone to stay safe and healthy, avoid negative vices, and get yourselves protected from all negativities and toxicities, especially drugs. Iwas po tayo sa masamang bisyo at sa droga, syempre. And as always, To God be all the glory and honor. God bless to all of us. God bless our beloved Maharlika Nation, and God bless the entire world and all of us Filipinos across the globe. At muli po, this has been Don Patrick D. Peregular, leaving you a pleasant Monday evening o isang mapagpalang Lunes, malinis ng gabi po sa inyong lahat. At lagi po natin sinasabi, laging tandaan, mahalin po natin ang Pilipinas at sama-sama tayong bumangon muli at ipagmalaki sa buong mundong tayo ay Pilipino. Isigaw na malakas ang ating panalo. Taos puso, taas noo, kahit kanino. And once again, this has been another presentation of another exciting Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive racing action right here on the Pats Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. And once again, this has been Don Patrick D. Peregular saying, Shukran and Tusentak for watching. Kita-kits ulit on March 6, 2024 for more Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive racing action here on DTL SMC.